أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما ينهاكم الله عن الذين قاتلوكم في الدين وأخرجوكم من دياركم وظاهروا على إخراجكم أن تولوهم ومن يتولهم فأولئك هم الظالمون. Allah only forbids you from maintaining affinity for the sake of kinship with those who fought you on account of your faith, who drove you away and helped openly to compel you to leave your homeland. Furthermore, those who lean towards such ties are certainly among the unjust ones. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا جاءكم المؤمنات مهاجرات فامتحنوهن الله أعلم بإيمانهن فإن علمتموهن مؤمنات فلا ترجعوهن إلى الكفار لا هن حل لهم ولا هم يحلون لهن وآتوهم ما أنفقوا ولا جناح عليكم أن تنكحوهن إذا آتيتموهن أجورهن ولا تمسكوا باسم القوافر واسألوا ما أنفقتم وليسألوا ما أنفقوا ذلكم حكم الله يحكم بينكم والله عليم حكيم. O believers, should believing women migrate to you seeking Allah's reward, then question them about their faith. Although only Allah knows the trueness of their faith, once you recognize their faith, then do not send them back to those who deny the truth, for they are no longer lawful to them as wives. Put back, but pay back to the husband whatever he spent as dower. Meanwhile, it will not be wrong for you to marry them once you pay them their dower. Also, do not hold to women who are bent at denying the truth. Ask them to return the dower you paid them, and they too can claim what they spent. This is Allah's ruling in this case. He judges between you, and Allah is all-knowing and all-wise. وَإِنْ فَاتَكُمْ شَيْءٌ مِّنْ أَزْوَاجِكُمْ إِلَى الْكُفَّارِ فَعَاقَبْتُمْ فَآتُوا الَّذِينَ ذهبت أزواجهم مثل ما أنفقوا واتقوا الله الذي أنتم به مؤمنون. And should any of your wives go back to the unbelievers, then pay those whose wives left them only according to the balance of what they spent as dower, to be fair, and beware of Allah in whom you believe. يا أيها النبي إذا جاءك المؤمنات يبايعنك على أن لا يشركن بالله شيئا ولا يسرقن ولا يزنين ولا يقتلن أولادهن ولا يأتين ببهتان يفترينه بين أيديهن وأرجلهن ولا يعصينك في معروف فبائعهن واستغفر لهن إن الله غفور رحيم. O Prophet, should believing women come to pledge allegiance to you, then have them a vow never to associate anything with Allah, not to steal, not to kill their newborn, and not to indulge in slander or claim of founding to be their child, or have a child out of fornication, and furthermore never to disobey your orders. Then accept their covenant as such and ask for Allah's forgiveness on their behalf, for Allah is certainly the oft forgiving and most compassionate. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم قد يئسوا من الآخرة كما يئس الكفار من أصحاب القبور. O believers, do not ally yourselves or collaborate with people who have earned themselves the wrath of Allah. Such ones lack foresight of any good luck in the hereafter, as do those who deny the truth and who have lost any hope of ever again seeing the dwellers of the graves. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge on to ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.